Vector.
But he's a B. You know, we're supposed to start with the A's, then we go to the B's, then we go to...
Yes, I went to kindergarten. I know how the alphabet works.
She wants to sleep so bad.
Achoo!
It might be nice to live on
Yeah,
Mr.
she's awake.
Vector's funds, that is all.
Yeah, she's sleeping.
Almost over. It's almost over. Girls, welcome back to the fortress of Vector 2.
Achoo!
Kiss for me.